Now what you're listening to winding up there on the Avenger is a Wright Cyclone R2600 radial engine, 14 cylinders cranking over there as we believe it's Paul Bennett flying that aircraft. Cranks it up. Supercharged as well, 1950 horsepower.
This is the same engine that was fitted to the twin-engine B-25 bomber, famous for the raid 30 seconds over Tokyo. Thirdly in the air, gained itself the nickname the Turkey. Pearl Harbor, in an attempt to sink the entire American Pacific Fleet.
Here he comes, sir. Big low pass.
Now, I've had it confirmed it is Paul Bennett once again flying this aircraft. What an absolute beast of a machine this is.
Introduced in 1942, and its first action was at the Battle of Midway. There were only 6 of the very early models, the TBFs, that were...
Well, I imagine pilots credited with flying this aircraft was former President of the United States, George Bush Sr. Actually flew these in World War II and was actually shot down over the Pacific in one of his raids. He still managed to release his payload and hit the target before having to bail out.
1942, from the carrier Saratoga and Enterprise, sank the Japanese light escort carrier Ryujo. And then later on, at the Battle of Guadalcanal, they sank the Japanese battleship across the Pacific like a blue wave. They were involved in all the major battles and included the sinking of the Japanese super battleships, the Musashi and the Yamato. US Marine Corps. It was the Japanese Maritime Self-Defense Force who were the last users of the type.
42. And was actually at source service combat in World War II, and after the war actually was used as a firebomber for water bombing.
It was outlined, some of them had white bars, but they were vital so that you actually recovered to your correct carrier, because if you landed on the wrong carrier, lots of beer fines in the mess. These are very, very popular areas.
Shot that one out a bit in advance, I think, of his run.
You're talking about George Bush.
No, they did it during the day. Just then, when the plane came through, it's like...